Hey Alex, let's check this one out. Now, blasting this into Desmos, I don't know. I'm not sure where you got that from. Let's work it through and we'll see what happened here. But basically, we have our exponential growth model right here. I have A naught, which is 6.07. We have 8 million for A, so we can kind of put that in, right? So we have A equals A naught times e to the kt. And basically, let's divide both sides by A naught. We'll do a little algebra. A0, we'll get rid of that. So we have A over A naught equals e to the kt. And then what we'll do is we'll do the natural log of both sides of that, the ln of both sides, and we're going to have basically the ln of A over A naught, and that's going to equal t, right? There it is right there. Or sorry, kt. All right? So then to get t by itself, I'll just divide both sides by t. Or sorry, by t we'll get k by itself, right? Like so. So there we go. So basically k is going to equal the natural log of A over A naught over t. So we'll blast in some of this stuff, whatever I can pull out here. So t is the number of years after 2000, and that's fine. We'll go from there. All right, so let's fill in what we know. Let me erase some stuff here. I need some room. We'll find what k is. We'll see if you got what I got. Okay, so we got the natural log of A over A naught. So that's going to be 8 divided by 6.07. And that's all going to be divided by t, which in this case, 2000, 2028 is 28 years later, so we'll divide her out like that. Okay? So if you're going to use Desmos, which you can, that's totally fine. Maybe you just typed it in wrong. Let's see what they got there. So in Desmos, we're going to go over to functions. Miscellaneous, the natural log, right there, of our original one, 8 divided by 6. Now every time you tab over, notice it kicks it over one notch in Desmos, so just be aware of that. 8 divided by 6.07. We'll close that bracket up, and then I'll highlight that whole thing, and I'll divide that by t, which is 28 years. Okay? So just make sure I did all that. Natural log, 8 divided by 6.07. And there we go right there, buddy. So k comes out to be that. Okay? 0.0098. Now make sure you round appropriately. Yeah. Let me just see what you put in there. You put 6.07e to the 3.6, but I got 0.012, right? Yeah, just rounding here. Rounding right there. So, I don't know, buddy. I suspect maybe you just made a little input error there or something. Make sure that that's bracketed, and make sure the whole thing is divided by 28 as well. Best I can do for you.